Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And this morning we're going to talk about the care of your airplane. Now, we get the care of a lot of people's airplanes, and one of the things that we do is, you'll notice this is a nice looking airplane. However, you'll notice blue tape. And that's because we tape every area, including the front strut, behind the engine compartment, upper cowling, and we sometimes even hang a note on the prop telling it that it's at top dead center, do not move, and we put tape to make sure that we can't really move it. But we put quite a bit on there so that we don't, with the nose bowl off, that we don't hurt the nose bowl. I'm sorry, with the cowling off, that we do not hurt the nose bowl. And as you can see here, we have more tape on this side as well as a lot, all protecting the nose bowl. Then if you notice on the wings where we work, we have carpet padding. On the tail section we have some more, but let's take a look at the other ring real quick. Notice that we have a blanket over the nose pant so that we don't take any chance of messing up the paint on the nose pant. Stand by. And on this wing we have an anti-skip. It's a carpet runner, but it does the same thing. One, it keeps tools from sliding on the wing. It also protects the wing. Now let's go look at the tail real quick and we'll finish this up. And here we are at the back of the airplane, and as you can see we have more anti-skid carpet stuff on the tail, and this is a two-place, but we try to take care, because the last thing we want to do is be trying to touch up somebody's paint if we make a mistake. So take good care of your airplane, give it good maintenance and a long life. It'll treat you well. So we hope you found this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman.